Huiyaointelligence relies on the scientific research team of Dalian University of Technology. It has a production base covering an area of 10800 square meters at its Luoyang headquarters. It has multiple automated and semi-automated production lines and advanced processing equipment, and has obtained a number of utility, model patents, invention patents, and software copyrights. If you are engaged in the new energy industry or are optimistic about and plan to enter this field, then you must watch our live broadcast. I promise that this will be very helpful to you. New energy cannot be separated from batteries, and the assembly of multiple batteries into module pack is a crucial link in this step. We can design an efficient and intelligent module pack automatic line for you to ensure the high quality and stability of each module. Next, I will give you a detailed introduction to the semi-automatic production line of battery modules brought by Huiyao Laser. Our battery module automated production line with innovative laser technology not only achieves industry-leading efficiency, but also reaches unprecedented heights in precision and quality. First, let's talk about efficiency. In Huiyao Laser's automated production line, efficiency has been raised to an unprecedented level through automated processes, synchronized workflows, and real-time data integration. We have achieved unparalleled productivity. This means that you can produce more battery modules in a shorter time, greatly improving your production efficiency. In the subsequent production links, other module structural parts such as steel strips and plates, insulation boards, integrated busbars CCS, lead-out brackets, and connecting plates are also indispensable. We will provide a full set of high-quality module structural parts to ensure efficient and safe production processes. Let's continue to look at our product details and learn more details. We look forward to working with you to lead the future of the new energy industry together. Of course, high efficiency does not mean sacrificing quality. On the contrary, our production line ensures the precision and quality of battery modules while ensuring efficiency. Using advanced laser technology and robotics technology, we achieve precise assembly, positioning, and welding of battery components to produce battery modules with excellent performance and reliable quality. Our semi-automated production line is also extremely flexible and adaptable. No matter what type, size, or specification of battery modules you need to produce, it can easily cope with and meet your various needs. We have always focused on the research and development and manufacturing of battery automation production line equipment and extended to energy storage cabinets, battery compartments, battery modules, and module structural parts. We are an industry-leading company in the entire new energy industry chain and are committed to providing first-class overall solutions and services to global new energy companies and users. In the field of equipment, Huiyaointelligence actively plays its own industry advantages and continues to innovate. It has realized the production process of the entire process, from battery cells to battery modules to pack boxes, energy storage cabinets, and energy storage containers, and can provide a complete set of mature systems. In terms of application, Huiyaointelligence provides advanced integrated technology and one-stop solutions around multiple application fields such as wind power generation, photovoltaic power generation, and energy storage, covering all aspects of product design, production and manufacturing, sales and after-sales service, and providing customers with all-round support and services. If you are interested in our products or have any questions, Click on the small windmill below and leave your contact information, and we will contact you as soon as possible.